Hey guys, we had this 9000 shifter. The bushings are pretty well gone in it, so we ground it apart. You can eat a little of the washer if you need, doesn't matter. We're going to take it down to get it flush to this line. Don't take it under that line. We made some new bushings. Pop right in. Got the little script logo on them there. And goes right together. Don't tighten that too tight, but snugs down. Good. So the molds are pretty simple. We just drew it. You'll notice these are a little different color than those prototype ones, so we can keep them separate. The first mold, we got the fit a little wrong, so then we made a production molds that'll have just little different dimensions. And the production, so good bit stiffer, but not horrible. We could offer these in really hard if we needed them. I think this will be plenty compared to the stock. When you take this out, the lock pin tapered, you have to pound it out. The threads get kind of messed up. We have new ones of these. It probably wouldn't hurt to get you a new one of those. The nut may be able to reuse. I don't know. And then when you go back, you might grab a set of the shifter alignment pins. One goes in the transmission, one goes in the shifter, and it lets you get this adjustment connection back corrected. Thanks.